guys, I'm very happy to welcome you all to my first video of this channel Bezalel by Merlin. I'm Merlin. Today I'm going to teach you how to form a grid. These grids are nothing but several divisions by which we can make precise pattern making. Now let's jump into the video. Before going into the video, I would like to show this cute little mandala which I've already made. So now, what is mandala and why we are going to learn it? This is the question that is arising in your mind now. I'm here to help you out with that. Mandal in Sanskrit means circle. So mandala is obviously circle. This mandala is made up of concentric circles and small patterns to be filled with. This was originated by Buddhism. It was used as a spiritual tool and a symbol in Buddhism. This is also considered as a therapeutic art form because mandala helps in increasing your concentration level, so that it is called as a therapeutic art by itself. Also, mandala has different types in it. We'll see everything in depth in the upcoming videos. Now we'll see how to make the grid. For making the grid, we'll need some materials. The first one will be a transparent and a clear ruler. So I prefer a clear ruler than a steel one because it will have some measurements in it which will be clear for you to measure in the paper. So I prefer the glass or the transparent one. So the next one is the compass. Yes, compass is used to make circles without rough edges. We all know that. The compass which I am using here is mapped one. So you can use any brand of compass which is comfortable for you. So the next one is the pencil. Of course, I'm using Nataraj pencil here. So now you can use two pencils, one for the compass and another one for drawing lines, so that it will be easy for you. Then I would suggest you to use small pencil for compass because it will not be tedious for drawing the circle. So the next material is the very important protractor. So this is used to form the degrees with which we can mark the grids. So it is very important tool, don't forget to buy this. So there is a full circled protractor as well, but then I am using the semicircled one now. And the next material is eraser. That's all guys, these are all the materials to be used. Now we can start the process of making the grid. So for the paper, you can use any sort of paper which you have in your home. It is a myth that you have to use a high quality paper. So this is just a beginning, so you can use any sort of paper which you have in your home. Paper or its quality doesn't matter. So now here I have used just an A4 size sheet so that it will be easy for you to understand. About the size, you can use any size. Now I have taken a small bit of paper from the A4 size sheet because when it is a big sheet, it will not be that clear for you. When it is small, it will be precise so that you can see what I'm doing clearly. So that I've used this small sheet. You can use any sheet, any size. Okay. Now the first step is to find the center of the page. For finding the center of the page, we should know the center of all four sides. For that, I'm going to use my ruler now. Now, with the help of the ruler, I'm going to find the center of the first side, which approximately measures around 15 centimeter. So that center will be 7.5. So I'm going to mark the point at 7.5. Yes, like this. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side as well. I'm going to find the center, which is 7.5, same. So I'm going to mark and join those 2 points. And then repeat the same process on the other two sides as well. This side measures around 10.5, so that I'm going to mark it on 5.25. going to join those two marks. Now we have got the center of the page. So this is the center. We are going to use it. Now I'm going to take my compass and mount it on the center, just like this, and draw the fullest circle of the page, like this. Since it is not visible in the camera, so I'm marking it a little darker. You don't have to do that. These are all just guidelines, so let it be little light itself. Not an issue. Now this is clear. I'll just rub it off the mistake that I've done. Yes, that's it. So now this is ready. Now I'm going to draw concentric circles with the measure around 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Usually I don't measure those, so I'm just saying you approximate measurement. Now we have got the concentric circles done right. So the next part is the very important part. I'm going to take my protractor and mark the grid points. So here is the quick tip. Now you have to make sure that the center of the protractor and the center of the page is coincided with each other. So now I'm just zooming it in so that you'll get the clear picture of it. This is a very important step, guys, so make sure that the centers are coincided with each other. Now I'm going to mark the points from 0 degree. The intervals will be 10 degree so that you will get 9 divisions out of it. Same way, I'll repeat the step on the other side of the circle. Now we have come to the end part wherein we are going to join the points through the center. So now this is the first point and this is the second point. We are going to join it through the center. Like this. Yeah, exactly. So I'm going to repeat this process quickly on all the points. Yes, this is the complete grid, guys. So you can make n number of patterns out of it, which will be very uniform. The patterns you can draw inside these grids. So that's all, guys. This is the grid which I am talking about, which is very helpful for making your mandala look precise and neat. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So with this grid, you can make n number of patterns and mandalas out of it. That I'll show you in the upcoming videos. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your comments on the comment section below. Thank you so much.